It's not just students doing school in a different way. Now parents or caregivers of secondary students are getting a new assignment. It's called a wellness screening. The simple 2-part questionnaire must be completed every day before your middle or high school student is scheduled for in-class learning at school or participating in any other on-campus activity. Middle and high school students also have the capacity to complete the wellness screener on their own. To find the wellness screener, go to the Skyward Family Access page. If you've never logged into Skyward, you'll need your login and password. If you don't have it, please call your school. To find Skyward, go to the Clover Park School District webpage. Click on the Parent tab, then click on Skyward Family Access. From here, you'll enter your login and password. Once you've logged in for the first time, you can set up a new password that's easy to remember. Just make sure you don't share it with your student. You can also download the free Skyward mobile app on your cell phone. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the app. Follow the setup prompts, which includes choosing the Clover Park School District and setting up a 4-digit code, which acts as your password. The mobile app is a quick and easy way to get into Skyward. Now it's time to answer the wellness screening questions. From the Skyward Welcome page, look for Wellness Screening and click on it. You may need to scroll down to find it on the mobile app. You'll be asked 2 questions. Answer the questions for each middle or high school student in your home and then click on the Save button. If you check Yes for either question, you'll receive a red caution sign that asks you to keep your student home. You'll get a follow-up phone call from the school later that day asking about your student. If you answer no to both questions, you'll get a green check mark. That means your student is good to go for the school day. These questions must be answered in the morning before school. For the safety of all students, we need this done every day your secondary student has in-class learning. If you forget, your student will need to go through a temperature screening at school before they're okayed for class. Thanks for your help. Together, we can keep students and staff safe as we all return to learning.